Morning Yoga Flow, Stretching and Flexibility Poses for Beginners. Welcome to our serene morning journey, where we embrace the calm and stretch into the day. Yoga, an ancient practice, brings us into harmony with our breath and body. As dawn breaks, we begin with cat-cow pose. Inhale, arch your back, gaze upwards, feel your spine awaken. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin to chest, releasing tension. Transition smoothly into downward facing dog. Hands pressed firmly, hips high, heels reaching for the ground. This pose stretches your back, shoulders, and hamstrings, inviting energy into your day. Next, step forward into a low lunge. One foot between your hands, knee over ankle, the other leg extended back. This opens your hips and stretches your thighs, preparing you for the day ahead. Flow into the warrior I pose, a powerful stance that grounds you. Front knee bent, back leg straight, arms reaching skyward. Breathe deeply, feeling your body's strength and stability. With grace, transition to the tree pose. Balance on one foot, the other pressed to your inner thigh. Hands in prayer position or extended above. Embrace balance and concentration, feeling rooted yet light. Gently lower yourself to a seated position for the seated forward bend. Legs extended, inhale and lengthen your spine, exhale as you fold forward. This pose calms the mind and stretches the back. Now, lie on your back for the supine twist. Bring one knee across your body, extending your arms. This twist massages internal organs and rejuvenates the spine, inviting a sense of relaxation. Finally, conclude with the corpse pose. Lie flat, letting each part of your body sink into the earth. Breathe deeply, allowing your practice to integrate, setting a tone of peace for your day.